Welcome to this CD, which is produced by the Stop Infections Now campaign, and thank you for listening. The purpose of this CD is to provide information about healthcare-acquired infections for members of the public. This has relevance for those who have been affected by healthcare-acquired infections and the members of their families. But it is also important for each member of the community, including healthcare workers. We are all going to have contact with the healthcare system at some time or other. This system works brilliantly for some of the time, and most of those who work in it have expertise and commitment second to none. Modern healthcare professionals are more likely to have adopted a holistic attitude to the care process and to accept that the experience, knowledge, and attitude of the patient are important elements in this process. However, it is apparent that there is an increasing and serious problem around healthcare-acquired infections. It is also apparent that this problem is not going to be solved by ignoring it and hoping it will go away. So, this information is being supplied in the spirit of cooperation with those who work in the healthcare system, so that patients and prospective patients know what is involved in healthcare-acquired infections, and most importantly, what strategies are needed to prevent the spread of them and to play a part in this. On this CD, you will find information about MRSA, which is methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, C. diff, which is Clostridium difficile, and VRE, which is vancomycin-resistant Enterococcus. You will also find information on how to protect yourself if you have to go into hospital, what to do if you get an infection, and the appropriate questions to ask. Finally, there is some information about how to make complaints and what to do if you need to take your complaints further. Again, the purpose is not to create conflict or to encourage confrontation, but to explore all means possible to bring about a decrease in the unacceptable level of healthcare-acquired infections in this country and the distress and injury caused by them. The material on this CD is for information purposes only and is not meant as medical advice. If you have a health problem, please consult your GP. Although the copyright of the content of this CD belongs to the SIN campaign, we will be delighted if you copy it and distribute it to as many of your friends and relations as you can. As our motto says, knowledge is power.